Samex Finance News. Weekly Crypto Technical Outlook. Is indecision returning? As the first week of December comes to an end, the cryptocurrency market has begun to show a sense of indecision in recent price movements. Despite some recovery throughout the week, major cryptocurrencies failed to close in positive territory and instead posted moderate declines, suggesting that a persistent neutrality has started to take shape in short-term market behavior. It is important to remember that during the last week of November, the crypto market experienced a notable rebound. But this week's performance has revived concerns that such optimism may have been temporary, reopening the possibility of a renewed period of selling pressure as has dominated the market over the past 2 months. The cryptocurrency with the smallest decline during the past week was Ethereum, falling only negative 0.01% over the last 7 sessions. In contrast, Dogecoin once again experienced pronounced bearish pressure, ending the week with a negative 6.84% loss. Over the past 10 weeks, the late November rebound has not been enough to reverse the market's generally negative performance. Cardano remains one of the most heavily affected assets, showing a negative 47.21% decrease, while Bitcoin has been comparatively more resilient, accumulating a smaller, though still notable, loss of negative 18.78%. On a year-to-date basis, all major cryptocurrencies are on track to end 2025 in negative territory. Ripple is the least affected, with a decline of just negative 2.58%, while Dogecoin remains the most impacted, posting a negative 56.04% annual loss. Bitcoin itself reflects this indecision, with prices fluctuating between $80,000 and $90,000 during the week. Overall, the constant mix of rebounds and declines across major cryptocurrencies highlights that neutrality continues to dominate short-term market conditions. As indecision has intensified, major crypto assets have begun to lose correlation with Bitcoin. Currently, only Ethereum maintains a high correlation coefficient above 0.9, while most other cryptocurrencies hover around 0.7, still positive but lower than in previous weeks. This shift indicates that prolonged indecision has reduced the similarity of movements between major altcoins and Bitcoin, suggesting the absence of any dominant market bias, bullish or bearish, for the crypto market as a whole. Correlation coefficients may vary over time. If correlations continue diverging from their prior levels while mild market devaluation persists, a sustained neutral sentiment may take hold over the next several sessions. Samex News.